Hey guys, TMG Baller here. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing already regular professional cube for magicians. I got it. I'm still in San Francisco. I got it from this magic shop. So let's get into the boxing. Now it's open. Nice and vibrant. So let's get to the first turns. I'm gonna do it's very tight. Let's check corner cutting. Like a corner cutting. First corner cutting. There's a little. I think before we give any final reviews, I think we should do one quick solve. Alright, here we go. A little bit slower than what I've been getting recently. It's decent though. It just locks up a lot. "28 seconds, as you can see. Anyways, I don't think it's a bad cube, but I'm gonna need to do more testing, and I'll come back with a review later. Maybe when I get back home. Anyways, thanks for watching. Click on the video right here to see whatever YouTube's recommending. Bye bye.